had to explain the birds and the bees to your child, what would it sound like?
Now, little Hermione and
Xavier.
Khaleesi and Xavier, because I have 3 kids, obviously.
Obviously.
I have childbearing hips. Now, I want you to understand that when 2 people love each other very well, okay, when 2 people get really fucking drunk and plastered in a bar and they have no other options, they go home and dejectedly jack each other off until they feel better, but then they feel worse and they go back home and then they take an ibuprofen and they sleep it off.
Yes. That is the best explanation.
Good. Moving on.
We're moving on. That is great.
My children will be scarred for life. I'm sorry.
Well, you know what? I feel that you should be honest. Like, 'cause
Honesty
I
is
feel
the best policy.
that a lot of children like are lost and they're like, what do I do with this? What do I do with my pee? You know,
You know, I don't want to talk to really a lot of children about that.
No,
but if
but
you
I'm
do,
just saying.
then
well, I don't
you go
talk to
for
children
it.
about it. I just totally made myself sound like I'm a weirdo.
I don't know
am
how many
odd,
children you're
but
talking to
not
about
that-
this, but
I'm not talking to any children
okay.
about this.
I don't
have kids.
I don't think children exist really.
Yeah.
I think they were made up
I can't
by the
stand them in
Illuminati.
the restaurants. Anyway, that's another subject for another day.